ROG Keris gaming mouse series from ASUS comes with two versions, ROG Keris with cable and the wireless ROG Keris. This gaming mouse only weighs 79 grams and comes with tri-mode connectivity and a specially tuned 16,000 dpi sensor. This gaming mouse can also be used in 2.4 GHz RF or Bluetooth LE word mode. It also features an exclusive push-fit switch socket, ROG Micro Switch, polybutylene terephthalate, polymer buttons, ROG Omni mouse feet, ROG Paracord and RGB lighting. This mouse design is aimed for professional gamers. The design is also adapted with their input to create a gaming mouse with an extraordinary ergonomic design. The mouse shape provides comfortable grip and precise control for gamers of any size. The push-fit switch socket on this mouse looks exclusive, making it easy to remove and place new switches, allowing the user to adjust the operating style and feedback according to their preferences. Meanwhile, the internal honeycomb design provides structural firmness while maintaining a minimum weight. In addition, the left and right PBT mouse buttons are durable and non-slip resistant. This gaming mouse also has two black side buttons that can be swapped over. Both versions of this gaming mouse include the upgrade ROG Paracord, an extremely flexible and lightweight cable designed to minimize drag and maximize movement. An elephant port on the mouse also provides space between the cable and mouse surface to reduce noise. These ROG Keris versions are also 25% smoother than other gaming mouse.